Ganda-ganda ng view. Look at our view. Look at that. Wow. $1 million view. Wow. Look at your house. Imagine your house is up here and you're overlooking the valley and the mountains. Wow, it's breathtaking. Really, really
Dito
beautiful.
siya nag-i-start dad.
Yeah, nice. Guys, ganda ng view. Guys, North Star Mountain Village Resort. Yan yung North Star Mountain Village Resort. Yan yung mga villas nila. So they are like 3-bedroom houses. There. Some have garage. Look at that. Very nice. Nice place, very quiet, and most of I think all of the units have hot tub in the back. They have a hot tub, so look at that. Nice, very nice. It's quiet. I think during the winter season, winter time, it's busy in here during the winter times. Cannot go in. Okay. Like that. So these are they look the same. These houses look the same. So yeah, I have to go back. It's a dead end. Let's go back.
May nakatira dito. Ay, may naka-ano dito.
Yeah. The pool is over there.
Which one?
Yeah.
Oh.
But the pool is closed right now.
That one is closed.
Yeah. They have a swimming pool, but it's closed for the season because it's just winter. So this is the office in the middle of the resort. This is the office. No, that's not the office.
This one.
Dandal. Yeah, this is the office. Yeah, there, that's the office. And I know that kid, and that's outside. Oh, this is the office.
Ano ba di talaga?
Yeah, that's the office.
It's the office.
And I think I know that kid. Drinking pop on the patio. Yeah, let's go. Hello guys. Hi.
Hi.
Huh?
Hi.
What are you guys eating? Okay guys, let's go back to our tour.
Kasi doon lumaan yung kotse kanina.
Yeah. So this is the office still, and then we're gonna go around and continue. Have a look. We have a playground. Aliyah said there's another playground, a bigger one.
Where?
He said they walk around maybe in here. Not sure. So I think this is a different.
This is different, ano, Daddy? Oh, kasi look at the 4 garage.
Maybe all the units have garage. Like all of them have garages. Let's go check in here too. Yeah. But they are really nice.
Oh, may mga nakatira pala. Oh.
Yeah.
Tayo lang yung may katabi. I can take the video there, Daddy.
Oh, nice.
Right? Kaso hindi nakita yung bundok maganda kanina doon sa may ano.
Oh. Nice.
Saglit eh.
Sa glass. Baka may...
Puro mga trees, Daddy.
So,
No access there.
no access over there.
Ayun ang magandang view.
Yeah. These are the beautiful views. So let's go around and then we go back. I think there's another way behind these houses in here. There's a pathwalk. Go down to the back.
May dog ha? Wala mong playground na malaki. Walang playground.
What's that playground that they were talking about? Oh, this is the pathwalk.
Go
There.
there.
Yeah, going to that. So yeah. So that was it. There's a couple of
Bawat ano may nakatira, di ba?
Usually. So yeah, that was it, guys. That's the North Star Mountain Village.
Tayo lang may katabi, no? Tingnan mo siya mag-isa dito. May isa rin dito.
They're trying to separate
Kaya
everyone.
dapat inano rin tayo. Nakatayo yung...
So, guys, thank you so much, guys, for watching.